Hi Sassy Scrappers, hey, this is Steph. I wanted to do a short video here on the new Rolling Tote. Okay, here it is. Now some people will say, well, what do you put in it? You know, how do you do it? You can put anything in it, really. So it is very, very sturdy. The material is good, thick material. It has a liner. I'm gonna peekaboo some of you what I have in here. But the liner has a plastic liner, which is waterproof. The outside of it has a waterproof little area all the way around the bottom so that you can wipe it off if you get it in the mud when you take it outside. It has the little pockets here that you can slip it over something or hold it that way. It has big pockets here that you can put things in. I don't have anything in the side pockets right now. It also has the handle here there where you can pull it. But and the rollers on the bottom go every which way. They're really good. I'm going to take it outside here in a minute, roll it around outside so you can kind of see that. But I wanted you to see what I have in it. Now I've taken several different things, put in, taken out, put in, taken out and stuff, so I see what fits. But here, and as you can see, I have more room that I could put another one of these small bags or a mini tote, what do they call them? Mini pod or something like that in. I just didn't have them because I got all my other stuff here. But I got my Joy, I got my mat, I got my big studio in here. Ugh, I'm gonna put it over there. I have a pod with all kinds of paper packs in here. I have my inks, my whole thing of inks. I have my cutters all in here. And then, like you said, I had two smaller pods, or you could put pictures or whatever. And I still have a couple inches here, you know, on top of that stuff that I could put even more in. So it really does hold a lot. A little bit ago, I brought out my airplane or my border punch case. It fits in there. Now, obviously my Joy wouldn't fit in there then and stuff, so you had to kind of rearrange, but it really holds a lot. And I picked it up after I had all this stuff in here. I picked it up and I could still put it on my shoulder and carry it. It was, you know, a little heavy, but not near as heavy as some of the stuff that the girls bring. So it's like the bag is really lightweight, so it doesn't put a lot of weight onto what you put in there. And as you can see, I've got quite a few paper packs in there. So the paper is the heavy thing a lot of time. Now with the border punches, that also makes it heavier. Instead of the inks, you could put in your border maker cartridge holder. You know, there's just a lot of different variables of what you take that you can put in here. If you have some of the smaller pods, they would fit in here very easily with your scissors and your pens and all that kind of stuff too. Or you could even stick your pens. I keep my pens in like a 4x6 or 5x7 little container, snap container. Those would easily slide into the sides. So very, very large in size that you can get a lot of stuff in it. So I'm gonna take it here outside and roll it around a little bit. This is kind of an experiment. I haven't done this. Got it out the door, but I'm rolling it on the concrete. No problem at all. It really rolls well. Okay, now I'm gonna try a little experiment. The grass is kind of wet, and I'm gonna roll it in the grass. And hey, it worked great. No problem rolling it in the grass, and I need to mow. But even rolling it around here, it rolls fine. So no problems at all. And if it does get a little wet around the bottom, it doesn't matter because that is all waterproof down there, but I don't think it did too bad. So it's great to pull around, to carry. I have only one that I have left. I think this. I am also getting the backpack because I love backpacks. So with the backpack for the smaller things and this for the bigger things, I think that's all I would need to take to a crop. I really would for my stuff. An album will fit in here. An album will also fit in the backpack. So that would take care of your albums. Like I said, the border maker cartridge would go in here. And maybe for the inks and stuff, I mean, this is a pretty big thing for the inks. I may downsize for the inks and put them in like a smaller case if I were going somewhere, so I didn't have quite such a large case for the inks. It's fine for here at home, but when you're on the move. Another thing that I usually take is my Epson 400 printer. It would still fit in here. So I really think that with this bag and the backpack, or if you have another rolling bag or something, that's pretty much, you could get everything you need in these bags. So if you're interested, like I said, I have one of these rolling bags left. Both the backpack and the rolling bag are $149. I have not heard anybody say anything bad about these rolling bags. One gal got one for storage in her home, which they're not really for that. They're really for more traveling, you know, taking to crops and stuff. They also fold clear down to where they're like nothing. They fit in a box that is this size, because this is the one that I just got. So just this size box, so they'll fit really low and you can store them quite easily. So if you're interested in one of the rolling carts, let me know. And I have one here, like I said. Right now I can get more, but I don't know how long they'll last. Also the backpack, I will be ordering one of those for myself on Monday, and I'll let you see those if you want to. I think they look great. And if you travel at all with your creative memories on an airplane, I know most of us around here don't, but some do, and that's kind of really what it was made for. But I just love backpacks. Ever since I went to Africa and took a big backpack, I love them for everything. Just so much stuff fits in them, and they're on your back. You don't have to, you have your hands free and stuff. So they are really quite handy. So I'll have one of those to show you on later next week. But anyway, I can get those. And also coming out on Monday is our little die cut machine with a lot of things. I'll have more information on that tomorrow that I can show you, and pricing, but that will be coming out on Monday. So lots of new things, but I really think you would like this if you know, like you Wacky Wednesday girls that come back and forth all the time. You know, I think they would be handy for that. If you go to weekend crops a lot, I think they would be handy for that too. Like, again, they're not a storage solution for your home. They're a travel solution where you're on the go, because they really, like I said, it fits a lot of stuff in there, and I can put a lot more than what I've got in here. So if you're interested, let me know. Sorry I'm rambling on, but it's really a good product, guys, and built really well, and I think you would like it. So let me know. Bye-bye. Stay sassy.